Hi, I'm going to show you how to make these crochet bells, and I used medium worsted yarn, a G hook. The pattern is down below. You can adjust this bell to make it larger or smaller, just go up or down your hook size. This pattern is great for beginners. It's pretty simple once you get going. Alright, so let's get started. Alright, I'm going to work the magic circle. I'm going to slip knot into it. If this is your first time, I do have a link on how to do this. And I'm going to work a double crochet 12 times. So yarn over, grab the yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and I'm going to work 11 more for a total of 12 double crochet altogether. I'm going to pull it close and slip stitch in the beginning of that double crochet, which is on top of it for this round. Chain 3, which counts as your first double crochet. Work 2 double crochet in the next stitch. Double crochet in the next stitch, work 2 double crochet in the next stitch. So the pattern is 1 and then 2 increase and then 1 double crochet and then 2 increase. Work that all the way around to the beginning. Slip stitch on top of that chain 3, chain 3, and then work 1 double crochet in each stitch around. Slip stitch in the chain 3 and then repeat again, just a chain 3 and then work 1 double crochet in each stitch around. If you want to make this longer, you can just keep going with double crochets in each round. You can turn it right side out so it starts forming into a bell shape. Okay, so just repeat the previous round, slip stitch in the chain 3, and then chain 3, and then work a double crochet in each stitch around again. Okay, slip stitch, and then this time you're going to work a chain 3, and if you want to make it longer, you can keep going with your rounds. This time, this is the flare out of the bell. So chain 3, work a double crochet in the same stitch, and then work 2 double crochet in each stitch around. And just repeat that. Each stitch gets 2 double crochet. Slip stitch and then you're going to fasten off. Now take your yarn needle and just weave it in to secure your ends and the inside where you can't see it, back and forth, and then the bell is complete. You can add some loop yarn on top to hang it as an ornament if you like. Just attach it with your yarn needle, loop it one time as long as you would like your loop, and then it's complete. This is a very basic, easy way to do a bell. I do have another bell. I can link that down below. That is more detailed and intricate. It's done with like thread yarn. This one is more basic, easy, fun little cute bell to make. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed. The pattern is down below. Thank you for watching and please subscribe.